it's Larra J. It's so good to be back here on my channel. In this video, this is going to be a review of the Unicorn Dream PH Dream Velvet Tints. And I'll be having a giveaway at the end of this video. So if you're interested to join and if you want to know my thoughts about these lip tints, just please keep on watching. Guys, Unicorn Dream PH is a local brand na hindi available sa ating local market. But they sell their products through social media accounts like Facebook page, Instagram page, and also sa Shopee. So now, let's proceed with the product details. So this one is the actual product, as you can see. This one contains 2.5 ml of product and retails for 100 pesos only. So this one, guys, is the mini version ng Velvet Tints nila. They also have yung bigger size naman, but that is 8 ml and it retails for 150 pesos. For their Dream Velvet Tints line, guys, they have 8 shades available. As you can see, lahat ng shades is very wearable, perfect for an everyday use, perfect din sa work, and if you're a student, perfect din siya sa'yo. Let's talk about the packaging first. So for its packaging, guys, as you can see, it's very sleek and very straightforward yung packaging niya. But I think may improve pa naman nila yung packaging nila, guys. And once you open it, meron naman siyang stopper, in fairness. And for its doe foot applicator, guys, this is what it looks like. Ayan. It's just the typical doe foot applicator. Actually, guys, may scent din yung mismong product. Parang cotton candy na parang bubblegum yung scent ng mismong product sa loob, guys. And hindi naman siya nakaka-bother. For me, gusto ko yung scent. Okay lang para sa akin. For the product claims, guys, I have a note in front of me para dire-diretso yung pagkakasabi ko sa inyo. They say that this Velvet Tints daw is a creamy, cushiony matte lip tints. So, let's see later if totoo nga ba yun. It is super blendable, long-lasting, non-drying, and can be used for the eyes, cheeks, and for the lips. So, Unicorn Dream PH sent me this product. So, thank you so much, Unicorn Dream PH, for sending me this product. I know that this is sponsored, but I can guarantee you my 100% honest opinion regarding to this lip tint. So, now, let's proceed with the swatches. I'm just going to remove my lipstick real quick. So, for the first shade, I'm going to try the shade Honest. So, it's this one. Let's see kung ano yung magiging impression ko sa mismong formula niya, guys. So, as you can see, guys, medyo shiny pa yung aking lips kasi hindi pa siya totally nagsaset. But, while I'm applying it, for me, in my own opinion, hindi siya ganun ka-velvet. So, I don't know if it's just me. But, it's true naman na it's creamy, it's cushiony. But, once I'm applying it, I feel like para siyang lip oil. Talagang nag-glide siya smoothly. But, hindi ko maramdaman yung pagiging velvet niya, if you know what I mean. So, this is what the shade Honest looks like on my lips. And, for me, hindi ko ganun ka-bet yung shade niya. I don't know why. But formula-wise, okay lang naman sa akin. But for the shade itself, parang hindi siya bagay sa skin tone ko. So now, let's move on with the other shades. with the lip swatches. And for my lips right now, ang gamit kong shade is the shade Fierce. So actually guys, I've already tested this out before pa this video. So ang ginamit ko na shade before is the shade Famous. So ginamit ko siya nung pumunta ako sa work. So tinest out ko lang naman guys kung gaano siya magtatagal sa lips ko. But yung ibang shades hindi ko pa sila natatry. So ngayon ko pa lang din sila na-try. And now let's start with the consistency. It's not a velvet. It feels like a lip oil on the lips. But after applying it, after niyang mag-set, it looks like a velvet na sa lips. And actually guys, looking at it right now in the mirror, na-emphasize na yung mga lines sa lips ko, yung mga cracks. May nakalagay dito na shake, apply, and blend. So, I feel like may halong oil talaga yung formula niya kasi kailangan mo siyang i-shake. Hindi siya yung tipo nung oil product na naghihiwala yung pigment. Kailangan mo lang talaga siyang i-shake guys kasi mas magiging oily yung feels niya sa lips once you apply it kapag hindi mo siya shinake. So, yun lang naman yung na-observe ko. For the finish naman, as you can see sa lips ko, yes, it's matte finish and it looks like a velvet as I've said before. Super lightweight niya sa feeling. Wala akong nararamdaman na anything na may nilagay ako sa lips ko. So, I'm going to try the shade Fierce again. So, titignan na natin yung blendability niya. So, magdadot lang ako ng very, very light. Ayan, as you can see. So, i-blend natin siya. Ayan. So, it's very blendable naman, guys. Hindi siya nagsaset agad-agad, but it dries down to matte. So, for me, guys, you need to shake this product really, really well talaga para mas maganda yung pagkaka-blend mo sa kanya. As I've said earlier, na-emphasize na yung mga cracks and lines sa lips ko. But, trust me, guys, hindi siya drying sa lips. It feels comfortable. Hindi rin siya moisturizing for me, but it's not drying at all. Ang comfortable na talaga sa lips, as in super lightweight nung feeling ko sa kanya, parang wala talaga. And then, hindi siya sticky you guys, as in. Hindi siya sticky, and kanina ina-apply ko siya, hindi naman ako nakaramdam ng tagging or hindi naman ako nahirapan sa kanya while applying it. So, super smooth niyang i-apply. It easily glides on the lips. And yeah, wala naman akong problema about that. So for me, formula-wise, it's true to its claims talaga. Except lang dun sa hindi ko lang talaga naramdaman yung pagiging velvet niya dun sa mismong formula. But overall, I'm impressed. We all know naman guys na lahat ng tints is multi-purpose. So definitely, you can use this also sa eyes mo and sa cheeks. So for me guys, for its price, it's very, very affordable. 100 pesos only for 2.5 ml. And you get what you paid for. It's very worth it. And actually guys, perfect siya sa mga beginners out there, sa mga naghahanap ng velvet kind of a tint na comparable din sa other brands. Try the Unicorn Dream PH Dream Velvet Tints you guys. As in, hindi kayo magsisisi guys once you try this out kasi maganda naman talaga yung formula niya. Especially to those who are on a budget nga, perfect na perfect to sa inyo guys. And look at the shades guys, very wearable siya. Since parang universal shades sila, pwede sa iba't ibang skin tones. But I have to say, meron akong top picks and meron din akong hindi masyadong nagustuhan na shades. So for me guys, yung top picks ko talaga is, first is si Famous, kasi nagamit ko na nga si Famous guys. And it really complements my skin tone. Next is the shade Fierce, this one on my lips. I like the color, I like the shade of it. Nakaka-fierce talaga siya. And last one na nagustuhan ko is yung shade na Fresh, kasi nakaka-fresh din talaga siya. So yeah, yun yung mga gusto kong shades from this line. Ang hindi ko lang masyadong nagustuhan guys is yung shade na Adoring, this one. Yung parang Barbie pink na shade. For me, maganda naman yung shade niya guys. Okay lang naman sa akin. But hindi kasi ako ganun ka-fan ng paggamit ng ganong shades, especially for an everyday wear. Siguro sa ibang skin tone, yes. But for my skin tone, I feel like masyado siyang pack, masyado siyang boom kapag ginamit ko siya for an everyday wear compared to the red one. So next naman na hindi ko nagustuhan is this one, yung shade na Honest. Kasi I feel like masyado akong naging maputla sa kanya and parang nakaka-mature tignan yung shade sa skin tone ko. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah. Basta formula-wise guys, okay na okay sa akin ang Dream Velvet Tints. So again, if you're looking for an affordable velvet tints you guys na comparable sa other brands out there, you should try the Unicorn Dream PH Dream Velvet Tints. It's affordable, it's only 100 pesos for 2.5 ml and meron din silang bigger size which is 8 ml naman and 150 pesos naman. And again, available ang Unicorn Dream PH guys through their social media accounts. For their Facebook page, it's Unicorn Dream Inc. For their Instagram, it's Unicorn Dream PH. And for their Shopee account, it's Amisha Cosmetics. So I will be putting the link down below in the description box. So you guys should check it out. So now, let's proceed with the giveaway. So yes, you heard it right. I'll be giving away this whole 8 shades, guys, ng Dream Velvet Tints na 2.5 ml so that one of you could try it out. I will be choosing only one winner for this giveaway, guys. So kung sino ka man, I'm so excited for you to try this out. For the mechanics, guys, first, you should subscribe here on my channel and don't forget to click the bell button beside it. Second one naman is to follow me on my social media handles. So I will be putting the link down below din sa description box. And lastly, comment any questions you would like me to answer. So, gagawa ako ng get to know me kind of a video. I want you guys to ask me questions. Anything na related sa channel ko, anything na tungkol sa akin na gusto nyong malaman. So, yeah. And I'll be putting the other informations in the description box down below. And also, kung kailan ko i-end tong giveaway na to. So, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and click that notification bell beside it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. Please follow me on my social media handles. It is always linked down below in the description box. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye! Mwah!